Guys, welcome to Quick Tutorials. In this video you will learn how to delete all music on iPhone at the time. If you want to delete your music, you say it's difficult, you have to delete them one by one, but this tutorial will show you how you can delete all your songs at the same time. So watch. Now go to your settings on your iPhone. So in your settings, you just scroll down, look for music. Okay, this is music. So you see these are downloaded music. Now if you want to delete it, just highlight it here, click edit, and then all music, delete, and see. So I have 0 music now. Let me go to my music. So music have been deleted. Okay, now we'll insert some new music on iTunes. So by plugging in iTunes, because I already have a video on how you can upload music to your iPhone straight. So now I will look for my iPhone on iTunes. Okay, what I will do is just select all this music and then double click on my mouse, then select add to user device. Now all these songs will be added to my iPhone again. So you're gonna see, I will wait until they load. Now all the music have arrived to my iPhone. I just loaded new songs. So if you want to know how to do this, go straight down to my videos and locate how to load songs on iPhone. So I've already created a video like this, and I hope you enjoy it. Now you can have free music to play without using the internet streaming. It's a great way for you. You can see I have new songs, so I would like, play it for you to see. Okay, this is it, guys. So this is all. I hear the music is playing right now. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you, guys. Peace now. Have a great time.